Hi, welcome back. Now that we have explored the HTML heading element, let's move on to the paragraph element, which is also essential for formatting and displaying text on our websites. The paragraph element is represented by an opening tag and a closing tag. Everything between these tags becomes a separate paragraph in our content. Let me show you how a paragraph element looks like. So first we need enter opening tag like this, and then at the end we are using closing tag, and in between we will enter the text for our paragraph, which we also call content. So in between we are entering our content. This is a paragraph. So this is our paragraph element, and it have a opening tag and also a closing tag. So why do we need the paragraph element? Without it, plain text in our HTML document would run together, making it difficult to distinguish one paragraph from another. By using the paragraph element, we create clear separations between paragraphs, making the content more organized and visually appealing. Moreover, it's crucial for accessibility, particularly for individuals using screen readers. Screen readers detect the beginning of each paragraph element, allowing blind users to easily skip to the next paragraph and understand the content more effectively. Now let's put this knowledge into practice with a simple exercise. To practice this technique, open up your VS Code and type lorem 32. You will notice that as you start typing, VS Code will provide suggestions, and this is known as Emmet abbreviation, as you can see here. Once you are done typing, simply press enter to automatically generate a paragraph consisting of 32 words based on your input. Now like this, I want you to create 3 more paragraphs so you can practice on these one by one. This is a useful way to quickly generate placeholder text for testing. Now I want you to create 3 paragraphs like this one. Just hit enter and then hit lorem 32 and press enter. Then Ctrl plus S to save this and to format these lines. Now we have these 2 paragraphs inside our body. And now let's write one more time lorem 32. So we have 3 paragraphs, then Ctrl plus S to save this, and now you can see we have 3 different paragraphs. I want you to place these paragraphs into paragraph elements. So pause the video here and do your challenge. By doing this for all 3 paragraphs, you will visually separate them in the preview here. It is important to allocate sufficient time to complete the task at hand. Once you have finished, it is advisable to review the preview, ensures that each paragraph effectively separating and clearly indicating different sections within the content. This will enhance readability and organization of your web. By using the paragraph tags, you have successfully organized the content into distinct paragraphs. This exercise demonstrated the importance of the paragraph element in web development. Now I am ready to guide you through the process of achieving your goal. Let me walk you through the necessary steps to successfully complete this task. First we need an opening paragraph tag and a closing. Then we are going to copy this text and cut it from here and paste in between these 2 tags. Just copy and pasting our paragraphs into our element like this. After placing each and every paragraph in paragraph element, just hit Ctrl plus S to save your file. And after doing this, your page should look like this. And now I want to show you another HTML element, which is HTML links. In HTML, a tag is used to define an HTML link. It allows you to create clickable links on your web page. To utilize this element, you simply need to enclose the desired content within the opening and closing tags. This basic HTML element enables easy navigation and redirection to other web pages when clicked by the users. Now I am going to show you how you can use this element. To use this, we need opening a tag and a closing a tag like this one, and in between we will place the content of our link. In this case, I am placing this is our Google link, and to make this really work, we need href attribute, which we can write like this. Type href then equal to, then double quotes, and in here we are going to put our web address where we want to redirect our users. In my case, I want to redirect my users to google.com. Now this is what our HTML link element look like. This is our opening tag in which we have href attribute, and this is the content of our element, and at last we have our closing a tag. And now if you want to test your link, just go at the bottom right corner of your VS Code. You can see you have here a go live button. Click on it, then this will run our live server and your web page will be open in your web browser. And here you can test this link. Just click on this link that we created previously and this will open a Google page. So we successfully redirected to our Google homepage. Now you can see the link's destination is specified in the href attribute. Attributes are used to provide additional information about HTML elements. On our website, we have a link that directs user to Google homepage. This serves as an example of how we incorporate links into our website. So when we build our own site, we will utilize links to navigate between different pages within our website. Links are an essential component of web page navigation and help enhance user experience. Let's now discuss another commonly used HTML element, which is the image element. The image element is used to embed images into a web page. By specifying the source attribute of the image element, you can link to an image file and display it on your web page. Let me show you an example of this element and how can we use this. Now we can use this element like this. First we need an opening tag, then we need to specify the path of our image, which we can specify by using source attribute. So enter source then equal to, and then here in between two double quotes we will specify the path of our image. So right now our path is dot slash then our image name. So I am choosing this and you can see immediately the image is opened in our browser. So for now I want to make this image a little bit smaller. To do this I am using width attribute to make the size of my image smaller. So this is how we can insert any kind of image in our web page. Like other HTML element, image element don't have any closing tag. We can close this tag using just a slash and then greater than symbol. We will talk in more detail about these kind of elements which don't have any closing tag later in this course. Now in our element you can see that we are using two new attributes, which is source and width. The source attribute specify the source or location of the element, while the width attribute allows us to define or adjust the width of our element as needed. Although we have covered enough for today's video, it's important to note that the list of HTML elements is extensive and cannot be fully explored in just one video. However, you can delve deeper into these elements by exploring resources like MDN and W3 schools on their respective websites. Now feel free to experiment with the index.html file even further. You can make changes and try different combinations to see how the content appearance varies. And remember to leave your comments and questions in the comment section below. I will be there to guide you if needed. Keep up the good work and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.